Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash, and I am so excited. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video, or when you can pause the video, run go subscribe and come back so don't forget. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make my favorite side braids with the Marley braiding hair extensions. This is one of my very loyal clients. He always comes to his appointment on time and before time. So big up yourself, Kai. I just love men who take care of them ear. Them just not let themselves go like Croft. So big up yourself, Kai. One love. A big shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journeys with me. Big up on yourself. You don't know up. Shout out to all the people who ask for one hairstyle, then come to my salon and want a different hairstyle. Cut in other people's appointments and all them something there. When you know yourself, I don't know if you stop do it. But big up on yourself same way, cause when you travel from far to come and see me. So when you don't know, so I'm gonna take care of your ear properly and make sure so when you walk out of my salon looking good and proper. One thing about me now, I provide a quality service. For me, it's not about money. It's about making sure that my clients is well taken care of. Although time is money though, I can't deny that. A big, massive shout out to all my customers who have been continuously supporting my hair care brand. Thank you guys so much for your support. I put in so much love, hard work, and time into my work. And I know that you guys can feel it. You can sense it. It's like a sweet sensation. For those of you who don't know about the amazing hair growth journeys on this channel, please go check out my playlist. And if you would like to purchase my Speechless hair care products, please visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk. I know some of you guys are like, how can this be a how-to video when you're not talking us through it? So, if you would like me to talk you through this process, you can book a virtual one-to-one tutorial with myself and I. Just visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and book your appointment today. Guys, if you like this video, please press like. Don't bad mind the thing. Comment your thoughts and don't be afraid to say what you want to say. Even if you don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear you guys comment, share the video, spread the word, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up.